Hello guys, in this video I'll show you step by step how you can play Faceit on CS2. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to have a Prime status. So you need to hit play on CS2, buy Prime, and buy a Prime, because without Prime you cannot play Faceit. Then you need to go to faceit.com and create an account, or if you have an account, you need to log in. You can log in or create an account with Steam as well. It will be, and basically it's very convenient. Once you're logged in, then you can download a client version in the game, and also you need to download Easy Anti-Cheat. So basically you just need to press play, and then on the bottom, if you don't have Easy Anti-Cheat, it will say to you that you need to download it first. Then you can download the client as well. And once your client and Easy Anti-Cheat, Faceit Anti-Cheat is installed, you just need to press Faceit AC. Make sure that TPM secure boot or IOMO is enabled on your system, because if it's not enabled, you cannot play. And I have plenty of videos showing you step by step how you can enable these things here. And then you just simply press find a match and play. Sometimes basically they will ask you to verify your account. So if there is basically you can do on the settings here, but for a lot of people you don't need to verify your account. And that's basically it, what you need to do here if you want to play Faceit. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.